BayPilot Tutorial 1, Route Mode.
In this video, I'll show you how to create a manual sailing route in BayPilot. First, open Route Mode. Here, you can set a start point, add stopovers, and choose your final destination directly on the map. To add a route point, double-click on the water. A small menu appears where you can choose Set Start, Set Stopover, or Set Destination. You can create a simple route from start to destination or build a longer route with several stopovers. BayPilot also supports faster mouse controls. Right-click on the map to set the destination without opening the menu. Middle-click to start adding stopovers, then left-click to place each stopover, and right-click to finish the route. After the route is calculated, BayPilot shows the distance and estimated travel time. Open the Route panel using the Settings icon. Here, you can save the route, open the route archive, show saved routes on the map, or export them as a GPX file. You can also change the boat speed. When the speed changes, the estimated travel time is recalculated automatically. In the same panel, you can choose the position source, automatic device location, or a manual position set with a pin on the map. That's the basic workflow for creating and managing a manual route in BayPilot.